Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to Graphic Designer Sarmin. I've got something really exciting for you today. We're going to explore the fascinating world of Photoshop and learn how to change the color of clothing in your hoodie. Whether you're a fashionista wanting to experiment with new looks or someone just looking to refresh their Instagram feed, this tutorial is for you. We'll be using some cool tools in Photoshop to make this process a breeze. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our creative tutorials.